Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 13 inorganic chemistry, in which we have seen unit number first coordination chemistry, part number B thermodynamic and kinetic aspects of metal complexes. And in this lecture we will see the last point, that is determination of stability constant with respect to job variation method, mole ratio method and slope ratio method. So here only we study comparatively these three techniques. So determination of stability constant. So purpose is students will become familiar with Jobs method. The name Job is a name of the scientist. Job method of continuous variation, which is a technique for determining the empirical formula of a coordinated or coordination complex. In this Jobs method, the graph is absorbance versus mole fraction. Jobs method is also known as continuous variation method. So determination of stability can be takes place by three methods: Jobs method, mole ratio method and slope ratio method. And one of them is a Jobs method, continuous variation method. Job described this method in the year of 1928. In multiple choice question they will ask Jobs method discovered in which year, or continuous variation method discovered by which scientist. So Jobs method is based on the measurement of absorbance of a series of solutions in which molar concentrations of two reactants vary but their sum remains constant. So this definition is very important for multiple choice question. That is, Jobs method based on the absorbance of a series of solutions in which molar concentrations of two reactants vary but their sum remains constant one, and this method is also known as continuous variation method. In this method, a series of solutions are prepared by mixing equimolar solutions of metal ion and ligand in varying volume with respect to metal and ligand. So in this table, that is, these are the numbers from 1 to 11. Volume of metal when 0, then volume of ligand is 10. So total sum is a 10 one. If we take 1 ml of metal ion, then volume of ligand is remaining 9, total sum 10. So this is the Jobs method. 2, 8, 3, 7, 4, 6 and lastly 10, 0. So these solutions have constant total volume, that is 10 ml, and proportion concentration of ligand to concentration of metal varies, that is 0 to 10. So here C is equal to constant Cl plus Cm, where Cl means concentration of ligand and Cm means concentration of metal ion. So here we will drawing one graph, that is absorbance of the solutions is measured, that is this 11 solutions absorbance is measured and they are drawn on the y-axis. Then plot of absorbance against the mole fraction of ligand is drawn. A curve is obtained as shown in figure. From this curve, a point of maximum absorption can be obtained. So this is the Jobs method. Then second one is a mole ratio method. Mole ratio method discovered by, in objective question they will ask who discovered mole ratio method. Yeo and Jones discovered mole ratio method and discovered in the year of 1944. Mole ratio method is based on the measurement of absorbance of a series of solutions in which the analytical concentration of one reactant is held constant while the other is varied. So this is the main definition, that is analytical concentration of one reactant is constant while the other is varied with respect to first one. So in this method, a series of solutions are prepared in which the concentration of one of the reactant, mostly metal ions, are kept constant while the concentration of ligands are varied, and the absorbance of these solutions is measured, which are plotted on y-axis, and at the x-axis there is a mole ratio of ligand to metal. This is the En means mole ratio of ligand to metal, and we are getting the such type of graph. So in multiple choice question they will ask mole ratio method consists of which type of graph. That is first one, this type of graph or this type of graph. So the nature of the graph in mole ratio method is like this. In this case, concentration of one reactant is constant, while concentration of another ligand material is varied, but in Jobs method both the concentrations are varied. And last one, slope ratio method. Slope ratio method for the study of weak complexes. Harvey and Manning developed a slope ratio method. So multiple choice question they will ask for which complexes slope ratio method used. The answer is weak complex. And who discovered? Harvey and Manning. And in this method the concentration of one of the components of the complex, that is either metal or ligand, is taken in excess and constant, while the concentration of second component is varied. Here one component is taken in excess proportion as compared to other one, and other component is varied with respect to first one. So this is a slope ratio method. And in the case of slope ratio method we are getting the graph absorbance versus concentration of ligand, and the nature of the graph is like this. At fixed metal concentration, if we are taking metal concentration is fixed one, then we are getting the graph like this, and at fixed ligand concentration we are getting the graph like this. So these are the three methods, that is Jobs method, mole ratio method, and last one is a slope ratio method. So for multiple choice question these three methods are very important with their discovery year and their graph nature. So thank you all of you for listening this video, and here we have completed our unit coordination chemistry.